Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing okay amidst the COVID wave 2.0. I am Reverie. Before watching the video, I hope you have subscribed to my channel. Please do if you haven't already. Honestly, I thought I'd save loads of money during this lockdown, but with online stores resuming home deliveries, that didn't happen. Now with my bank account as dry as Sahara, here's 21 outfits for 2021. First, we have this beautiful crocheted cardigan from More Yarn. Love the color, love the design. I would totally wear this outside right after lockdown ends. I have paired it up with a bucket hat and a big baggy jeans. I never thought I would wear animal printed anything, but look at the print. It is so on trend right now, and that is why I caved in, and I cannot wait to wear it outside. Green is the color of 2021, so throughout this video you'll see me in loads of green outfits. I've seen this dress all over my Pinterest board, Instagram, and I think this brand called With Jean was the first one to come up with this design, and now every brands are selling same sort of dresses. What's that one thing that is still trending on 2021 along with coronavirus? Groovy, funky animal prints. Got this amazing dress from Legalize. Some of you might have seen it on my last massive haul. If you haven't watched that, please do watch it. I think it is hilarious, entertaining, self-proclaiming it. I love this green cardigan with jorts. If only I had cowboy boots to match with this, but for now I think Chucks also goes very well with it. The hat just adds up so much to this chill, laid-back look. Only one complaint about this button down is that I wish it was a little bit longer, but anyways, here I have paired it with my bustier top from Shein and pleated skirt. Moving on to next outfit, I have this tie-dye dress from Shein. Here I have paired it with a chunky boots and a shoulder bag. And you're good to go. Next up is my coziest spill jumper from Tiger Mist and my brand corduroy pants. This outfit is very comfortable that it is my no-brainer go-to outfit. White basic top is such a closet staple. If I were to choose any one clothing piece for capsule wardrobe, this shirt would be it. Here I've paired it with my denim jorts and crop top. And since lockdown is keeping me home, I refuse to tie my shoelaces. Okay, so this fit is Boss Lady suit. The material is very breezy and soft, and I got this from Lean 88 because they were having summer sale. Pink just screams spring. Moving on to next outfit, this is a tie-dye seam crop top from Shein. I paired it with black pleated skirt and black chunky boots. Here I was aiming for a Y2K-ish look. This is my favorite. The pants are tailored, the sweater vest is amazing, and the beret, chef's kiss. I bought this gingham dress 2 years ago from Shein, and I still cannot believe that it is on trend. I paired this up with Lolita shoes, aka kawaii shoes, and I'm ready for a picnic inside my living room. My colorful sweater vest might be a little thick for the summer, but if it's chilly and just drizzling, then this outfit would be perfect. I've been wearing skater skirt for a while now, and here I've started with a pastel blue top and my Shein sandals. Ideal for a walk on a beach, but since I live in Nepal, I would wear it just for a lunch out. This outfit is for all my emo fanatics. Got this tee from Shein, and here I paired it with my black skirt and chunky boots and my all-time favorite Frida Kahlo tote bag. Okay, next outfit is big pants, little top mode. I absolutely love this crop top, and I found this new online store on Instagram. The name is somewhere down below, and this is definitely serving hot girl summer look. See, I was not lying when I said the white button down is a closet staple. Another look where I have paired it with a ruched and ruffle skirt. This is a whole different aesthetic. Here I have paired a simple tank top with a baggy wide leg pant. I have also paired it with a tote bag, and you can just pair it with any shoulder bags. A pop of color would be nicer. This is such a freaking cute crochet top, also from Morian. I've been wanting to get Hope Macaulay's chunky knits, but with my broke ass and third world problems, that's just wishful thinking. Instead, I customized it from them, and I think they've done a pretty good job. This angel print crop top is so comfortable and soft, and it is so cute. And I paired this up with leather pants. Whenever I wear this, it reminds me of this iconic scene from Friends where Ross struggles to put the pants on. Never fails to make me laugh. So this is it for this lookbook. I hope you all are staying safe. I have lost way too many relatives during this pandemic, and this is my way to distract myself from the gloom and doom of COVID. I hope I took you away for a 6-minute short escape. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Till then, take care, stay safe.